In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your filing status in TurboTax. This is a quick walkthrough to help you correct your filing status so your return reflects your actual situation and your numbers update accurately. Even a small change here can affect your tax bracket, credits, and deductions, so it's worth getting right. First, log into your TurboTax account and open your current tax return. Make sure you're in the correct tax year and that you've opened the return you intend to file, not an old copy or a prior year. Once your return is open, you'll be on the main dashboard for your tax prep. Next, navigate to the section where TurboTax stores your personal details. Look for a tab labeled Personal Info or My Info. You'll usually find it across the top of the screen on desktop or in a side menu. If you're on a smaller screen, it may be tucked into a menu icon. Open that and choose My Info to proceed. Inside My Info, scroll down until you see the area titled Your Filing Status. This section shows how TurboTax is currently set to file your return, such as single, married filing jointly, married filing separately, or head of household. Think of filing status as the framework the software uses to calculate your tax rate and eligibility for certain credits. To make the change, click the Edit link next to your current filing status. This opens the selection screen where you can choose your correct status. Pick the option that matches your situation as of the last day of the tax year. For example, single is for unmarried taxpayers who don't qualify for another status. Married filing jointly is typically used when you and your spouse combine your income on one return. Head of household can apply if you're unmarried and paid more than half the cost of keeping up a home for a qualifying person. After you select your new status, TurboTax will likely ask a few follow-up questions to confirm the change. Answer these carefully. You might be asked about your marital status on December 31st, who lived in your home, whether you provided more than half the support for a dependent, or other clarifying details. These prompts help verify you meet the rules for the status you chose. Finally, save your changes. TurboTax will recalculate your return, so give it a moment and review any updates to your refund or balance due. When everything looks right, continue with the rest of your return. That's it. You've successfully updated your filing status and can move forward with confidence.